Are you looking for a professional logo for an esports team, a Twitch channel, or even a gaming YouTube channel, and you want something to identify with as a brand that looks cool and professional and does not cost you an arm and a leg to go out and pay somebody tons of money? If so, stay tuned because we're going to be talking about a really cool option that is fairly cheap that's going to allow you to get really cool graphics for a gaming organization, a stream, or a gaming YouTube channel and give you some really unique branding for yourself. Roll that intro. What's going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. Today, we're going to be talking about graphic design, or more importantly, how to get you guys a logo without breaking the bank. And we're actually going to be talking about how to do this through a website called PlaceIt. We've made a video on PlaceIt before. If you're interested, check the card up there. We made a whole video talking about PlaceIt for live streamers and things like that. And we really didn't delve in too much to the logo creation because I wanted to make a video specifically on this. That way other people that aren't just looking for it for a stream can also find a video similar to this. So hopefully I do a good job of the search engine optimization, and multiple people or many people out there will be able to find this video and help get themselves a really nice logo. So without further ado, let's jump onto the computer and take a look at PlaceIt's website and see what we can find for graphic designs and logos and stuff like that to help make your stream or YouTube videos, or even your gaming organization that you plan on starting, have a nice logo without breaking the bank. So let's go ahead and jump into that. All right, so now we're on PlaceIt's website, and where do we find logos? Well, they are really awesome, and they literally have a logo maker and a bunch of other cool stuff on here. And we could go to their logo maker and just try to make one from scratch from some of the stuff that they have, and it's really cool. But for our example, we're actually going to go through this list and we're going to look for gaming teams. And this is going to give us a lot of options here to create a gaming team or like a gamer centric logo. So let's go ahead and let's act like we're doing one for my YouTube or my Twitch channel, Flux 2D, and see what we can find that might look cool for that. So as you can see, there are tons of different ones out there. This one's for like if you wanted to do an esports team, you could do something like that. Looks really cool. You can see that there's customization for colors, fonts, and you'll even be able to change on a lot of these the logo that's being used. So you don't necessarily have to use the exact logo you see there. It just looks really cool a lot of times with the fonts that they pick. So let's see what we can find for Flux 2D. I'm not seeing anything on this front page that I think would fit my Twitch channel yet, and I'll probably not use one without doing a little bit more research on like what's on here that I would like. But this video is not about me going through every single page of here on this website and finding something specifically for, you know, my YouTube or Twitch stream or whatnot. So let's go with, I kind of like this one, the Savage Agent. So let's go with this. And whenever we get there, it will give us a preview of kind of what it looks like. So we've got this here. So I'm going to go ahead and change this from Savage Agents to Flux. And that should update the text. And yeah, so we got Flux, and then we're going to do 2D. And that should update the text over here on this side. So now we have Flux 2D. I think that looks cool. We don't want Gaming Squad at the bottom because this is just going to be, let's say, for my stream. And we can select that, and we can see already we've got a pretty neat looking logo, and it's pretty custom. So what we could do now is we could actually go in here and adjust the colors. So my Flux channel, I try to actually keep, I don't remember what it's at right now. I haven't streamed in a while, unfortunately. But I was going for more of a like purple design. So let's maybe go with something like that. Actually, I think more of a dark color would look cool here. So let's go with like a gray. I think that looks good. And then we can do an accent color. So I think, yeah, kind of something like that looks pretty good. I think I want to change these outline colors though in the accent color. So let's go with that and then go with a bright purple. I think this might look pretty neat. So I'm not feeling that. So let's make it a little bit darker and see if this looks better. Okay, I'm kind of liking this more, maybe find something a little bit middle ground. So we can update that. And yeah, I'm not entirely feeling that. So let's switch these colors back. This is the honestly, the coolest part about this is we can go through here and adjust things however we see fit to get a really cool look. So let's try a lighter purple, and no, let's try a dark one. And we're just gonna mess with these, you know, move them around, see what we like, see what we don't like. And I'm really not liking the purple and gold, so let's go with more of a blue. See if that looks better. I think that's okay. Maybe a red? No, that's not gonna look good. That's okay. Let's go back with like a dark purple. As you can see, I'm very particular about my color design and stuff like that. So that's something you guys have the option of messing with. And if we wanted to, we can go over here and adjust the colors of this text as well. So for example, for the 2D, I could change that to, that car that went by was really loud. I could change that to a purple if I wanted to as well, but I'm just gonna leave it. And then we can go through here and we can actually really fine tune these if we don't like these fonts. So right now we're using Korma, and we can see that these are the suggested fonts for it. But if I wanted to go with something else like this Teko, T-E-K-O, which I think looks a little bit better, let's try that. So I went with more of the thin Teko font, T-E-K-O. Hope I'm saying that right. And as you can see, we're pretty much done there. And there's a lot more customization we can do with these. And just to show you guys, we're actually going to change this top part here too. So let's say we wanted to go with this guy instead of the other one. So we could go with this, and we can switch and see that we've got a whole different design aspect to it now. And there are tons of these different backgrounds and different characters and things that we could switch over to. Let's see what this guy looks like. Yeah, I actually like this better. So we could go with something like this, and you can update it. And I believe this also has a video with it. So we'll see. All right, so it is done animating. So if we hover over it, we can see that it does a quick little animation for us. And if we click on it, I think it will actually let us watch it back. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Now we have the option for an animated logo. And let's go ahead and see how much this actually costs for you guys. So if we wanted to, we could need to play all your slides before downloading. Okay. It's going to prepare the video, and then we're going to be able to do it. So let's give it just another second to process and then see how much it costs. All right, so it's done processing. We can see that it's playing out now. And it's even got some cool effect, like a shimmer on it too, so that's pretty cool. And it gives us 2 ways to purchase. So we could buy this video for $9.95, or we can end up buying a subscription to PlaceIt and $89.69 a year, or we could pay $14 a month, or we could just go with this one if we want to. And commercial usage is okay, which means you guys can use it in your streams, you could use it in videos, all of that cool stuff. Or we could get a free watermarked low res one if we wanted to, but that's not cool. You don't want watermarks in your streams and stuff like that. So there is that. And then there's also the logo. So if we click back on the logo, we'll go over to it, and it'll pull it up really quick, and we'll see how much it costs. So that little animated kind of logo pop-up would be a really cool thing for like a stream transition. Once again, only $9. And then if we wanted to do this one, this logo is only $49 or $39.95 for this logo, and it's super custom. But here's the cool thing, guys. Like I said, that video was $9.99, I believe it was, and this is $39.95. If you just started a 1-month subscription for $14.95, you cancel it immediately after the first month, and you could get access to this high-resolution PNG with commercial usage. And the high image quality is going to be awesome, because this is going to mean that you can use it for a variety of like products, whether that's merchandise or anything else you guys wanted to use it for. And you're only paying $14.95 for this logo and an animated version of one. And if you want to watch that other video I was talking about, it might be up there. I can't really tell because the preview on the camera is actually disabled right now. But if you went ahead and you did that as well, you could actually get updated panels and tons of other things for your stream, YouTube videos, or whatever else you guys are doing. So all right, guys, it's going to be all for this video. If you enjoyed, you know what to do. Go ahead and destroy that like button and get subscribed here to How To Tech if you guys haven't already, for future videos on stuff related to streaming, maybe even more graphic design stuff. And I have to say, if you guys are not a graphic designer, PlaceIt is absolutely amazing because it's going to be very cheap as a monthly cost, and it's going to give you way more customization than other things that I've seen out there. I know there's like subscription-based stuff that you can get to customize your stream through Streamlabs and other stuff like that. And while they are nice, they don't give you the option to create a logo. They don't give you the option to create stuff for YouTube if you wanted to make recorded video content and throw them out there in the future. This just gives you a one-stop shop solution that lets you create videos and tons of other stuff such as logos, cards for your Twitch streams, and end screens for YouTube, and tons of other stuff like that in one unique package, which I think is really, really good. And whenever we throw in the price of it being $14.95 or $14.99 a month, that is just ridiculously cheap compared to if you went out and paid a graphic designer. Now, I don't know if they have stuff for like emotes and stuff like that on Twitch, but if they get a feature like that soon, this is going to be a no-brainer to use for anybody that does Twitch and doesn't want to have to pay somebody tons of money. So if you are a Twitch affiliate and you don't have tons of money to, be throwing at your stream for graphics and things like that, or if you're looking at possibly making Twitch affiliate and you just want your stream to look a little bit better, or create some personal branding that is very unique to your stream, then check out PlaceIt. I'll have a link down below. That link does help support the channel, and I appreciate it if you guys ended up using that. This video is not sponsored by PlaceIt. I just want to throw that out there as well. And yeah, once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you guys haven't checked out our community Discord, linked down below, we have over a lot of people. I can't give you an exact number. It's slipping my mind right now. We've got tons of people over there, and you guys are becoming more and more active every day, a place to share your stream, YouTube videos, and just hang out with other people. And I plan on being more active over there and maybe doing some community streams with some of the people over there. So thank you guys for checking that out. Also, big thanks to our patrons over on Patreon. If you guys want to help support the channel financially, that's a way you can do so. And yeah, big thanks to everybody over there. And thank you guys once again so much for watching this video. This has been Chad from How To Tech, helping you guys take your tech to the next level, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.